Hey friends, in today's tip video, I'm sharing a product that you likely already love and have in your collection. And I'm going to be using it in a way that you likely have never seen before. Let's take a look at it. So Wink of Stella is what we're going to look at today. And if you know about Stella, you love her. If you don't know about Stella, you'll find out about her. But I have this awesome tip to share that not very many people have seen before. And I have a really cool technique I want to share completely unrelated to this as well. So I hope you will watch along for this quick video. So Wink of Stella gives us a way to add some beautiful shimmer and sparkle to our projects. I am hoping that you can see the shimmer on this card that I have added. If not, let's get started. We're going to look at a couple of other cards as well. Let me hold this one up close. Now the shimmer paper around the edge, that was different, but the shimmer that you can see on these stamped flowers, this I created with Wink of Stella. I also added the color with my Wink of Stella. So let's take a look at how to do this, because this is a technique that's very similar to using water painters, water brushes, if you've ever done any watercoloring with a water brush, or if you have just done watercoloring the old-fashioned way with a normal brush, that is similar to this as well. So we can do that with our Wink of Stella. You just pick up your color with the brush, and as you are applying the color, it is also applying that beautiful sparkle. This is a technique I picked up a while back, and I realized I've never even shared this in a video. I shared it with my Stampin' Up! Team members here not too long ago in one of our monthly craft nights when we get together on Zoom and we craft and we chat and see what's happening with everybody, talk about updates. And anyway, I shared this technique and they were amazed because I'm not sure any of them had seen this before. So if you are new to this technique, I would love for you to comment below and tell me. And I hope that you can use it soon. Now, right now, off camera, I just rubbed this brush several times on some scrap paper until that color came out and it was back to clear. And then I can go ahead and pick up my other color and start on that next color. Now hold on just a second. I will share that. I will hold it up close so you can see and appreciate all that this has to offer. And then I want to mention, if you are wondering anything about this card right here to the side, these cards I made and the technique I used to make them, I'll share that with you quickly. But let's take a look at this up close. Look how beautiful that is. So we have the shimmer, we have the color that we wanted. And this way of coloring with either a water brush or the Stella is one of my favorite ways to color because the watercolor look is so carefree. You don't even have to stay inside the lines. If I go outside the lines, it's like, oh, well, it's watercolor. It's supposed to look that way. And it doesn't look bad. So awesome technique you can try with your Wink of Stella. So I created these cards with this technique. I did all of the coloring on these floral images with the Wink of Stella. And as you can see, the colors are mixed up. We have blue pieces and we have the other pieces. So what I did, I had my pieces intact. That piece of white cardstock was all one. I created one with the blue color. I created one with my crisp cantaloupe color. And then I cut them in half, each one, and mixed up the colors for this fun little technique. When you do your stamping of your images for this, you do have to use a stamp positioner to make sure those flowers are in the exact same place. So now all of your card projects can be shimmery and fun in any of the colors you want, not just clear with your clear Wink of Stella. Make sure you are subscribed to my videos so you see my upcoming tip videos. I appreciate you being here, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.